Hey there friends, welcome to DoodleToots TV. I'm DoodleToots and this is my pet dragon and I love to draw. And if you love to draw as much as I do, you're in luck because today we're going to learn how to draw a dragon. Okay, so before we get started on this cute little dragon, let's make sure that we have the colors we need in order to start and complete this drawing. So I use black as always, that's my outline color, but I'm also going to need 2 shades of green and a yellow in order to do this today, okay? So black, 2 greens, a yellow. Go get your colors, come right back and let's get started. So beginning with our black outline, let's go ahead and start with the horn that's going to be on the tip of his nose. And so we'll put that right there. Little triangle with an angle to the left, okay? And then we'll come off of the front of it here and we'll go out a little bit and we'll come down and we'll come back up like that. That's gonna be his face. And then on this side of the horn, let's do a line there and we're gonna go across here like that. And then we're gonna come straight down. And then about midway over, where this curve is, let's go down like that. And then we're going to connect them across the bottom. Okay, and that's going to be our dragon shape. And then here we're going to make him a nice dragon. So we're going to give him a curved line there for his mouth and give him some goofy little teeth that poke up like that. Okay, and we'll give him 2 little eyes here because he's a pretty happy dragon. And we'll give him a nostril there and a nostril there. Put a little line there. And then we'll give some curve shapes up on our horn. And then he's going to need some wings because he's a flying dragon. And so we'll do a curve shape like that right there. And then a curve shape down. And they'll go bump, bump. That'll connect back. And then we'll do the wing in the back and it'll be another curve shape up, just not quite as far out. And then it's going to curve back into there. Okay. I'm going to give some texture lines like that. Okay. And then now we need to draw his arms and his legs. And so we'll do a little shape like that for that arm and then a shape downward like that. We'll do another shape like that for this leg, and then maybe this leg is going back out just like that. Okay, and then now we need to do all the scales that go down the back, and so we'll do 2 right there, and we'll do this scalloped edge technique that we learned recently, and then we'll have it go all the way down the back, just like that, all the way down. Okay. And then I think that's it, right? We've got the horn, we've got the nostrils, we've got the silly teeth, we've got the eyes, we've got the arms, we've got the feet, we've got the scales, we've got the wings. Okay, perfect. I think the only other thing that we could do is add a couple of scales and maybe we can put those as like little U shapes here and there. And this will be where the scales are going down his body. So just randomly anywhere, just from like the neck down, we can just put some of these U and W shapes. Okay, now it is time to color. And so let's go to our color palette and let's start with the yellow. I'm going to use that for his wings and his horn. Okay, and so let's color in the wings here with this yellow. Okay, now I want to move to my lighter green. And, oh, I think we said we were going to do his horn yellow too, right? Can't forget that. Okay. Horn. There we go. Okay, now we want to move to our lighter green, and I am going to let that be most of the body. Okay, so I'm going to probably fast forward this part because there's a lot to color in, and I will see you guys in just a second. Okay, so we just finished our body of the dragon. Now let's give the dark green scales down his back. this darker green color. Okay. There we go. And we are almost done. I think that's probably one of the goofiest and silliest and cutest looking dragons I've ever drawn. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to draw with me today, and I can't wait to draw with you next time. See you soon. Whoa, make sure that before you go, you like this video and that you are subscribed to our channel so you can stay connected to all of the DoodleToots TV content. Also, if you just like to color, head over to DoodleToots.com/color and you can download the coloring pages for any of the drawings that we've done so far. Get out there and have fun, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.